Hello, welcome to 528 Games Lab. I thought I'd share with you guys a way of taking a 3D model in the editor in your scene and taking a snapshot of that model and converting it into a sprite so that you can then use it in your game in whatever way you want. Now, I've done this in code before at runtime, but in this case I just wanted to create a very quick image of a few models, and they're one-off snapshots, so I just wanted a quick way of doing that. So the way I've done it in this case is I've downloaded an asset from the asset store, and it's called Ultimate Screenshot Manager. Just this asset here by Wild Mage Games. It's a really great asset. I've used it for lots of different things. So you'd go ahead and download that asset. Then what you can do is inside the window, Almost Engine screenshot window, you'll have this screenshot tab, and in that tab you can do a whole bunch of stuff in here, but the things that I've done to create this snapshot are set a custom folder. I've set a width and height of my snapshot that I want to take. I've then set the camera mode to custom camera, and then in my scene I have a camera which I've already set up. I then drag that camera into here. Everything else can be kept to the default settings, and I think that's it. I have to uncheck this because that's if you want to have an overlay on your snapshot, which I don't. The other thing I had to do was come into here in the camera settings, change the projection, in my case to orthographic, and change the background to solid color. Ideally I would have liked it to be transparent, but I don't think there's a way you can do that, so I've had to make a solid color, and then I'm going to go into Photoshop and cut that color out, and then I should end up with a nice clean sprite with a transparent background. If you know of a way of doing that from the editor without having to go into Photoshop after the fact, please let me know in the comments. That would be great. But otherwise, yeah, so the way it works is you open up your scene, and in here I've just put in a cube and brought my main camera in, positioned the cube however I wanted it to be positioned, and then in the screenshot tab I can then hit take capture, and that generates a sprite or a PNG for me in the location that I specified. And then if I go over into Photoshop, I'm then able to cut that out however I like. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. If you have any better suggestions as to how this can be done, please also let me know in the comments. Okay guys, cheers, happy coding, bye bye.